Hello, it's me, Anya Divine here. I'm just doing a little bit. I'm continuing a self-portrait that I've had on the go for a few weeks now, and I thought I'd just film a little bit of it. I'm experimenting with the camera here, sitting it in front of me, so at least I know that you can see me because I can see myself in the video. Anyway, I'm just going to do a little bit.
You can't see you in the mirror. You can see you.
I can see me in the mirror a little bit. So what I'm going to do is mix some alizarin crimson with some sap green in order to make a colour that will represent the hair on the left, because I think this needs to be filled in up here, just for now anyway, so that it's no longer white. That's Lily playing the piano outside. Well, that's not actually her, that's recorded. Okay, so I'm just using the half-inch brush here just to fill in the white bits in the hair, because I feel like I wanted to kind of establish those a bit more, or just set it apart from the face a little bit more. I don't know, seemed like a good next step, and I wanted to do something fairly general and clear as a way in. This is an evening portrait, so I'm painting it under the electric light in the living room here. It's fairly gruesome, isn't it? Something about it looks a bit gruesome, but anyway. So one of the other things I wanted to do is maybe fill in the skin there. Use a bigger brush, and the cadmium orange, I think it is. Probably quite a yellowish quality to the light here. So I'm just pushing up and lifting. And actually agitate some of that clean orange at the top. Yeah, so it seems like my job here is just to maybe get rid of the white bits for now. And I think this was the cardigan I think I was wearing originally. It's got a bit of a collar on it. Yeah, my hair was different originally as well, but anyway, I'm just going to continue. Right, so the ear needs to be made a little
warmer.
Maybe go for the smaller brush now to find the colours in the ear. Cadmium red with that yellow, cadmium yellow. To warm it up slightly here. Yeah, Lily's planning on going for a Britain's Got Talent audition in the morning. So there's a bit of practice going on. I'm just glad we've got an extra hour's sleep tonight. Because I think I'm going to need it anyway if I'm going to negotiate Glasgow traffic. Well, we missed the Edinburgh one. She only got the email today, so anyway, it'll be an exciting adventure, a jaunt over to Glasgow. Now, there's a number of things I was thinking of doing. When I look at myself there, I reckon this eye needs to have more of a shadow on it. I'm just going to use some of the ultramarine blue mixed with the Van Dyke brown and the burnt sienna actually, in order to push that up and lift it to make the shadow of the overhanging eyelid on the iris and white of the eye there. Seems like it needs to be darkened down. And by the same token, I could kind of deepen the shadow here then as well. Maybe under the nose. So there's a shadow that's attached to the underside of the nose and a shadow that's cast by the nose. Those of you who are living in Edinburgh, I'm going to have a sale of work in my house. So any of you who know me, get in touch and I'll give you the dates of that. Because I've officially decided I'm going to empty my studio in Cockenzie. So I'm generally deepening the tone of the shadows. And I don't know why I'm suddenly seeing it all a lot darker. Some days I want to do more detailed stuff, and other times like tonight I just want to kind of make it a bit more cohesive, the whole thing. And so once the video is finished, which it actually looks like it almost is, I was thinking I'd get the 2-inch brush and do something general in the area of the cardigan. I might even do that now, for goodness sake, why not? So using the cerulean blue and whatever else is left. It's a bit too muddy actually. The cerulean blue tends to get a bit muddy. Jesus, sorry. It tends to get a bit muddy when it's mixed with other stuff. I've got the palette over here, you see. That's where I'm trying to clean it off without my paper towels. So I'm going to use some cerulean blue on its own, because I think the warmth in the face is now demanding something more elsewhere. So I think cerulean blue is a good colour. Cerulean blue is a good colour to represent the cardigan, the cast shadow of the head on the cardigan. And it's